In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Affirm in Stripe account. If you're using MemberPress for memberships and want to offer a buy now, pay later option, the supported path is through Stripe's built-in integration with Affirm. That means everything starts with Stripe connected to MemberPress and then enabling Affirm inside Stripe and inside MemberPress so it appears on your registration forms. First, make sure Stripe is already connected to your MemberPress site. Use the standard MemberPress payment setup to add Stripe as a gateway. If you've just installed MemberPress, the setup wizard can walk you through it. If you've had Stripe connected for a while, you're good to go. Before moving on, test that connection so you know payments are flowing correctly. You can do this in test mode with a dummy product or by using MemberPress's built-in test tools. Confirm that a checkout completes and shows up in your Stripe dashboard as a successful test payment. Verifying this now prevents a lot of guesswork later. With your Stripe connection set and tested, head into your Stripe dashboard, open settings, then payment methods. Scroll to the buy now, pay later section and look for Affirm. Turn it on for your account. Depending on your region, currency, and business type, Stripe may prompt you to review eligibility, accept terms, or complete additional verification. If you don't see Affirm, check that your business location and the currencies you accept are supported for Affirm under your Stripe account. Next, go back to your website's dashboard, open MemberPress, and go to the payments area. Here, enable Affirm so MemberPress knows to offer it when Stripe makes it available. Save your changes. If you're using multiple gateways or multiple Stripe connections, make sure the one you enabled supports the currency and country you're selling in. From this point on, your membership registration forms will display Affirm as a payment option whenever the shopper and transaction are eligible. This works whether you're using Stripe Checkout, which is Stripe's hosted payment page, or Stripe Elements, which is the embedded form on your site. You don't need to redesign your checkout. Affirm appears automatically alongside your other methods. To verify, preview a registration page and walk through a checkout in test mode. You should see Affirm listed with your other payment options. When you're satisfied, switch to live mode in Stripe and in MemberPress, and run a small live transaction to confirm everything end to end. As a final tip, be transparent about pricing and recurring terms on your sign-up page so customers know what will be financed through Affirm. And that's it. Affirm is now enabled through Stripe and visible in your MemberPress forms.